I love you in the morning. Hello, boys and girls. I have got a backpack. Look, my backpack is colorful. And inside of my bag, I have got a surprise. Look, this is from Valentine's Day. These are hearts. Let's find out how it works. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. Look, I have got a stick. It works. I love you in the evening and underneath the moon. Ooh! Should I open or just press? I don't know. Stay here, little heart. Maybe... Okay, let it be this. I need to press. I don't know what happened with this heart. And maybe should I open? I don't know. Maybe like this? Okay, I'm opening. And here I have got a heart, the love. I have to press. And I'm strong, but I can't. Maybe like this. No. I need a hammer maybe, but I don't have. I would like to take another heart. It's a big heart. Look, roses and butterflies. I have to press. Okay. And funny heart is stronger and stronger, and this heart is very cold. I like these hearts. It's a very good present. I have got 20 hearts and I'm going to present on Valentine's Day these hearts. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like it. Don't forget to subscribe. And this heart is for you. And my heart is for you too. Bye, bye, bye. I love you in the morning.